This service has always been the home of the first time. And after launching India's very first streaming revolution, tonight we are witnessing history repeat itself for the most spectacular way possible. For the first time in Indian entertainment, a beloved OTT series is making the leap to the silver screen and releasing as a film in cinema halls. We told you, it all starts right here.
The film is the highly anticipated backstory and not a continuation. It takes us deep into the untold chapter of the blood-soaked origins of the power players we've grown to fear and to love.
Get ready for the bhokal to get bigger, the stakes to get higher, and the screen to get wider. It's bigger, it's better, and it's coming to the theaters near you. Prime Video presents Mirzapur the movie.
On stage, please welcome Ali Fazal, Pankaj Tripathi, and Divyendu Sharma.
कैसे हैं?
Ali, Guddu Pandit's journey from season 1 to 3 of the series has been truly, absolutely intense. Now, as Mirzapur moves to the big screen, how exciting is it for you to take Guddu's story forward in a, well, new cinematic way?
बहुत मजा आएगा. बहुत बहुत मजा आने वाला है. Already हमने shoot कर लिया है. We had a lot of fun. ये पहली दफा ये खेल हुआ है. सॉरी बहुत अंग्रेजी हो रही थी, मैंने सोचा थोड़ा नहीं, क्योंकि सुबह भी आया था मैं और यहाँ थोड़ा 2 शब्द बोल के चला गया और फर्राटे से बोला था मैंने. लेकिन हमारी पूरी टीम पीछे वेट कर रही है और ये हैं ये खुद बोलें तो बेटर है, क्योंकि दोनों अपने आप में लेजेंड्स हैं और हम सब साथ हैं इस दफा, तो मजा आ रहा है और कुछ नहीं.
Pankaj, I have a question for you. You've enthralled audiences with your portrayal of Kaleen Bhaiya, and now it's about to make its way to the big screen. As someone who's lived with this ruthless character for so long, मतलब आपके लिए क्या मायने रखती है ये फिल्म?
भूल तो नहीं गए हमें. हमारे लिए एक बड़ी फिल्म मायने रखती है, जो हिंदुस्तान में पहली बार हो रहा है कि एक सीरीज को बड़े स्क्रीन पर ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत खास है हम सबके लिए और मेरे लिए भी.
Divyendu, this has been truly, actually, path-breaking in every which way. Because as Pankaj just said it, and also Manish, when we reiterated, this is the first of its kind, and it happens only here, and it all starts here. What do you feel about this massive transformation from digital to the cinematic universe?
Hello everyone, good evening. I just feel that I'm really glad that, we are doing this. And I think more than anything, Mirzapur, how the stories, the scale is going to justify its presence on the big screen. Right. And like you said, it's the first of its kind. We are all waited with the bated breath कि कैसा जाएगा, लोगों को कैसा पसंद आएगा. But I think जिससे भी बात हुई है, लोगों को बताया है, they've been very, very positive. They are very excited कि मिर्ज़ापुर अब बड़े स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है. So are we?
Very good, and we can't wait. This is possibly one of those movie moments that we can't wait for it to happen and unfold on celluloid. Now, joining the Kingpins on stage are the Kingmakers. Please welcome the creators of Mirzapur, Gurmeet, Puneet, and Qasim.
So I don't think we've seen this kind of excitement before. 4th of September, 2026, really can't come soon enough. This is the first time a series with such a massive fan following is making its way to cinemas. As a director, Gurmeet, how different was the experience of crafting this as a film versus the show?
First of all, after 3 years of immersing ourselves in this world that is Mirzapur with such great characters. I think the moment that, Puneet came up with this idea, it felt like he just opened a door to a new realm. So it was completely amazing to be able to now transport all these characters into a world with such a massive scale, with, sort of no holds barred, where our imagination can actually take us where we want to go. And it's just going to be amazing to share that with the audience and now on the big screen. And I think there's one thing that, Mirzapur believes in is कि बस मजा आना चाहिए. And इस बार बहुत मजा आएगा.
Lovely. That sounds very exciting. Let's have the whole Mirzapur cartel over now. Let's hear it for Rasika Duggal, Shweta Tripathi, Shriya Pilgaonkar, Harshita Shekhar Gaur, and Prashansa Sharma, please.
Come on, girls.
Now,
the mega super star that is all together. And with that, let's close for a wonderful knockshot to the breast. Nikhil, Manish, Akhil, Shilanki, please join us on there. So, first of all, the photo of all.
And can we have Puneet to say Dosha?
Thank you very much. Thank you. We can't wait for
thank
Mirzapur.
you, all of you. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you all of you. Thank you. With that, I'll take a small break and let me call back on stage Lisa Mishra and Nikhil Madok. But Karan, you can't go anywhere, for there is no rest for the wicked.